My mama told me when I was young, we are up on superstars.
Hey everybody. Okay, so I don't know if you can hear me, so I'm gonna try to turn that down. Okay, sorry. Anyways, as you noticed, I deleted all my videos off my channel. So far, like, this will be my only video. What can I say? Yeah, sorry, I'm on the floor, it's so uncomfortable. I deleted them because, like, they are so old and I'm growing up, so those are, like, nothing. Those are, like, I'm doing a lot of stuff right now, doing a lot of videos, editing them, and I have a lot of videos in mind. And I got a comment the other week saying, like, where the hell is the Smash TV video? Well, still trying to work that out. Like, as you know, we are all so busy. We just got over March break here in Canada, and Smash TV has been doing their own thing, so we're still in contact with them. Don't worry, video will eventually come. So hold on a bit longer. As you saw, Smash TV put up a new video. Go watch that and ask some questions. Ask Highland Breaks questions. Don't really ask me questions because I'm so busy that I'm hardly ever on YouTube anymore. Okay, so now that I got that cleared out, that's basically all I wanted to say. Videos are coming, don't worry. I'm not off YouTube. As you see, I did not delete my account, but videos will be up soon. I gotta go to work, or else I'm gonna be late. See ya!